We're Nick and Beck, and this is our van, Valerie. This week's adventure kicks off on a ferry to Vancouver Island. We spent the night in Nanaimo and had a very early morning.
6:30.
We went sightseeing on our drive to see some of the amazing places Vancouver Island has to offer, including some of the best baked goods.
Today's the day.
We then tested out our surfing skills for the first time. Consider subscribing to join our adventures every single week. We are getting on yet
another
ferry.
We're getting on a ferry.
We're getting on another ferry to go to Victoria.
Surprise.
Surprise. The past few days we've been in Vancouver, but we've just been hanging out with some friends, family friends, and just kind of doing a little exploring, but nothing really too exciting. And
No.
we just took a few days off of filming.
No, I'm not.
But we're gonna do exciting things on Vancouver Island.
Don't know what we're doing yet though.
Don't know what we're doing, but it's gonna be exciting.
So we're fingers are crossed here. If you folks remember the Newfoundland ferry and how fun that was. 6 hours, you know. This one's pretty short.
It's only an hour and 45 minutes, and it's sunny and clear and bright. You can see the water. We saw some of the ferries coming in.
Yeah.
So we'll actually be able to see something.
We hope there's food because we are so hungry right now.
Yeah.
And we don't really have any food other than like protein bars.
And a protein shake.
And a protein shake.
Yeah, it's been a long day.
We'll be alright.
So, we'll catch you guys on the ferry. We found a spot. I'm not quite sure what the park's called, honestly.
No, me neither.
But it's looks like it's right downtown Nanaimo. Maffeo Sutton Park. Maffeo Sutton Park? I'm not quite sure how to say it. Anyway, we pulled in the parking lot, and there's a ton of vans and cars and people doing what we're doing.
Yeah,
So
there's vans everywhere.
Yeah, we asked someone and they were like, you don't have to pay because it's overnight, and that's all. Doesn't really matter.
As you can
We're
hear,
right by the road.
as you can hear, we are right by the road. So, we're right downtown Nanaimo. There's lots of vans around. So, anyway, we're gonna probably put the camera down, go to bed, and get out of here bright and early because can't be here past I think 8 a.m. without having to pay for it. See you guys tomorrow morning at like 7:30. Well, last night I said it would be 7:30. So anyway, off to either a next parking lot to have another quick nap, or we're gonna start our day. So, good morning, guys. Let's get the day started. These are all other people that were camping here last night as well. Where are we going?
I don't know yet. We've got to figure out what we want to do today. Because the direction we're heading is like Tofino way, but there's definitely things to do along the way. So we got to do a little bit of research to figure that out. So. Oh my God.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And Everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West. I just gotta feel something.
I'm going to visit some goats on the roof of a cafe.
We're in a little place called Coombs. Oh my god, there's the goat.
Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends, and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. Send my best friend an apologetic text. He says to come over.
Why are we here?
The whole damn town has been waiting for the day to come back here. There was dancing and talking and steaks on the grill, and I think that I will be alright. And my ex from high school still looks just the same as she did back in 2009. Not gonna wait till the morning. Let's never put the night on ice. Never put the night on ice. I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends, and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. And they all said I was crazy for leaving my
Crazy. We're just like staring up this tree like, how? How does it grow that large?
Too short to never do what you want to. What do you want to do? Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends, and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life.
We just finished swimming, and we actually met this couple who, they're from around here, and they told us about this construction wait, which someone actually at the water also told us about. They close the road from 11 until 3 every day during the week, I believe. It creates a big lineup, obviously, and we're gonna try and get in the line now because I guess a lot of people probably, well, the guy that we met at the water, he just turned back around and went to the water and swam for a bit and just is essentially waiting until 3 o'clock until they actually open the road. So we're just going to this road junction now. It's 2:36, so hopefully we don't have to wait that long because it's pretty hot out. It's like 40 degrees outside, so we'll see how the construction wait goes. Construction line begins. I'm assuming this line's quite long. We can only see a few cars, but from how many cars have been driving on this road, I'd say it's pretty long.
Probably pretty long.
Do you want to play a game?
Sure, what do you want to play?
Let's play who can stay cool the longest.
Me. I'm not in the direct sun.
That's true. Okay. We'll see when the construction's over. Well, we're moving! Yay!
Moving pretty quick, actually.
Yeah. That wasn't too bad. We probably only had to wait like
Half hour.
So we're on our way to Ucluelet right now, so that's all. We'll keep you updated.
we at, dog?
Terrace Beach in
Yangava.
you yeah.
Ucula.
We're in Ucluelet.
We're not in Ucluelet. We're in Ucluelet.
We just are at a little beach, Terrace Beach. We're kind of just following the signs through the town. We haven't really looked
Not at all.
ahead on anything at all. It's very hot. Kind of just want to go jump in the ocean.
It's so hot.
So, we don't really have a plan.
I think we're gonna have to find a campground tonight.
I don't think there's any campgrounds available because I looked.
Woo!
Well,
We may or may not be parked on the side of the highway again. We found a nice place to camp, 20 bucks a night, it's a parking lot. But we talked to the business owner, we actually spoke to the person who owns the place. She was more than happy, and that's that. We also have a little surprise. It's behind the van. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day. But for now, we got dinner on the go. We got sausages with spaghetti and Alfredo sauce. So we're also, we haven't pulled the camera out a bit. It's mainly just because, you know, we were a little frustrated. We couldn't find a place to stay. Nobody had any answers. But we found one person who's extremely helpful. So anyway, it's a little noisy. We're hoping that the traffic slows down tonight, but if not, doesn't matter. Anyway, we're gonna have some food.
Good morning, guys. Today's the day. It's gonna be an exciting day. We have 2 surfboards and 2 wetsuits until 7 p.m. tonight. And currently it's 7 a.m. So 12 hours of surfing. No, we're not gonna surf for 12 hours, but we are gonna be beach bums for the next 12 hours. So it's probably gonna be a lot more exciting for us than it is for you guys, mainly because we've never surfed before, so it's probably not going to be like some spectacular surf show. But we'll take the GoPro, we'll have fun, we'll figure it out, and if we don't figure it out, we'll do some wicked friggin' boogie boarding on full-size surfboards. So, we are in Tofino, British Columbia. Supposedly some of the best surf in all of Canada, if not the best. So, if we can't figure it out here, I don't think we're going to figure it out.
we're gonna become surf bums in Nova Scotia.
Anyway, we're gonna get out of bed. I'm gonna try to drag her out of bed and head to the beach.
What you doing, buddy?
Putting on the skinniest jeans I've ever worn in my life. How you making out?
It's a little tight.
She's a little tight. My shoulders feel like they're being pulled together. That's how tight this one is.
I mean, it's something that you get used to, obviously, but as newbies, I'm not used to it. Oh, I can do it myself. Can you do it?
A little bit more. You got it. You'll never probably get it off alone.
Sweaty.
Well, we know nothing. So let's go learn nothing.
We're just gonna have fun. It'll be fun. fine. Surfboards when we go home.
What a day. Holy smokes, this was so fun. I mean, we've made some good decisions on this trip. This was a great decision.
Yeah.
We had a blast. We literally surfed for probably like 5 hours
What
today.
time is it?
No idea. Here, I'll find the phone, Anthony. No. 5:20.
Wow, it's 5:20.
5:20. So we surfed for about 5.5 hours today. To say that we are tired is an understatement. This was so fun. Anyway,
Let's pack her up.
let's pack her up.
Well, we returned our surfboards and our wetsuits, and we went straight to the grocery store because we're both like starving and absolutely exhausted. And I think where we're staying is another 45 minutes from here potentially. So we were like, let's just go do the food thing. So we're just making some dinner. But yeah, we're both starving, so we'll catch you guys after dinner when we're back on the road. Do I look tired?
Just slightly. You kind of look like a mermaid with your hair.
Oh, thank you. We came back to the little rest stop we were at yesterday. Was that yesterday? Man, that feels like a lifetime ago. Today was a long day.
Today was a very long day.
We just came back to that rest stop where we were swimming. We actually went for a swim, get all the salt and ocean water off. We feel much better. We cleaned the van, and now we're gonna go to bed.
Today was an amazing day. It was so fun. I'm so glad we rented those surfboards. I truly of all the fun things we've done on this whole adventure so far, to be able to do something like that in Tofino, really it made the trip so worth it. So it's pretty interesting because right now we're about as far west as we'll be. Though yeah, you can go up to the territories and go farther west. We're not doing that. This is the main provinces. So it's pretty neat to say we've officially been to the farthest east back in Newfoundland and now to the farthest west here in Tofino. All in this van that we built together for 7 months. And anyway.
If only we had swam in the ocean in Newfoundland. But
only.
It's too cold.
I can't begin to express how happy we both are with this van, this whole trip, the decision to come on this trip, everything. It has been an amazing experience, eye-opening in many ways, and I truly wouldn't change it for anything. I'm so happy we did this. So anyway, it's been so fun. I don't want to go home, but I think it's time. We're gonna put the camera down. We're gonna go to bed.
Bedtime.